Alright, everyone. We're having some hot dogs. We're making a fire with hot dogs.
Hey everyone, Morgan here. So it's finally time to use my grinder. I have a whole bunch of mesquite beans that I picked a couple months ago. I picked some by myself and some with my neighbor. I got a bunch here. They're all ready to be ground up into flour or made into coffee or whatever. But I'm gonna grind up some of these into flour. And then we're going to make some flatbread over a fire. Woo! Let's get going. Okay, this created really nice flour. Now the way to tell is kind of look at it like that. That is really nice. Now, this is very common with mesquite beans. Whenever I roast them and grind them up in my coffee grounder, this is what I see as well. So this is really common with mesquite beans. This is not this. This is the mesquite beans. Okay, this is just how mesquite beans act. So now I'm going to want to sift it out. I'm just going to try to sift it out the very best that I can and try to get all that junk out of there. Using this is not the most time efficient or way to do it, but I don't have one of those flour sifter things. I thought I did and I was looking around for it, but I couldn't see it. But I got as much as I could through just patient sifting, but it looks really good. Now we're gonna go make some flatbread with it. This flour is gluten-free flour, and it should act exact same way as flour. But we're just gonna make some really simple flatbread with it. All right, so now we're just gonna make it into the bread, which is pretty easy. You know, there's really no kind of recipe for this. With flatbread, you just kind of mix it in which it's a nice doughy consistency. We were having some Halloween fun around here. So this is actually a little too moist, but it'll be all right. Let's go get the fire going. Woo. I made this way too moist, and so it's kind of fallen apart a little bit, but it's essentially mostly cooked. I could definitely fry it and cook it a lot more, and because I couldn't sift it out fully, it's a little grainier, but it still tastes pretty good. Next time I'm gonna add way less water, but that made a lot more than I thought it would make. I maybe did half a cup or a cup of, anywhere from a half a cup to a cup of the actual mesquite beans, and it created quite a bit of flour. With that mill, you'll be, basically doing, flour as you need it. It was actually really easy. Yeah, sure, it's manual, but it was very easy to do. So I'm impressed with the mill, and I'm impressed with how this came out, and overall, good stuff. Good fire. Good evening. All right. I'll talk to y'all later. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Bye-bye.